Hi, I'm Brietta Williams with Hartman Insurance Services. If you're covered under a short-term medical plan, then this video is for you. Current law says that short-term medical plans can cover a family or individuals anywhere from 30 days up to 364 days, and they can be renewed 2 times for a total of 36 months of continuous coverage. That's all changing in September. As of September, short-term medical plans will be capped at 90 days of coverage and will only be allowed to be renewed 1 time with the same carrier within a 12-month time period. This can have major impacts on how you receive and access your health insurance. I highly encourage you to reach out to your licensed sales agent or our office at Hartman Insurance, and we can let you know about what options you have as far as extending your current short-term plan or looking into alternate options. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We're always happy to help. Thank you. Have a great day.